In this video, I will share a real-time reflect trick. Follow the steps. First, if you have a sketch, you can insert it and place it in the center of the artboard. Set transparency below 50%. Add a vertical line and turn it into a guide. I will rename layer 1 to sketch. And locks. Add a new layer. I changed the name to vector. Draw a horizontal line right in the middle of the artboard. Click on this point. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. Check Reflect X and Copies 1. Then click OK. Disable eye icon on vector path layer. Now you can start drawing. The next step, select all, go to Object, Expand Appearance and Ungroup. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.